Hello everyone, in this video I am going to create a bottom navigation bar like this. This is called serial navigation bar. Look at this, movies and TVs. This is for music. Look, the color is also changes. This is for books and this is for newsstand. So by clicking every icon it would change the colors and everything like that. Look, the size and fragment, so everything is changing. Okay, so let's go to start the code, how to do it. First create one project and then create one activity by the name of material design activity, and here create a int array by this is a colors which we are gonna use at this array list, and this is the navigation controller. Okay, first go to the XML file, create one XML file, go and create one relative layout, then it should be match parent from both width and height, then create on no touch view pager, bottom strip text. Okay, tab strip text, so give the same IDs and everything like this. It should be above the page navigation view, and it should be the ID should be view pager, and you can also change the IDs. It should be on your choice. Okay, also give this an ID. Okay, this whole layout, give this an ID. Now come here and create one page navigation view and give the same attributes, match parent and height the same, because it should be the height should be low, and align it to parent bottom, and the background should be white. Fine. Now come to this activity and on create method, first create one page bottom tab layout, and look at this. When we click on this, where it goes, here it comes. Fine. Look at this, this is the tab. Now come here and create also one view pager and call it to view pager. Create a instance. Let me click on this view pager. Look, the same view pager. Now create one navigation controller here, a page bottom material, and use the same attributes. Look at this, I have given them 4 icons. Okay, here look at this. 4 icon: movies icon, music icon, books icon and newsstand icon, and I have added this to this array list and set default color as this. Okay, now set mode to this, change background color, and material mode to hide text. What is this change background color? Look, this is by default, this is the default value. Okay, hide text, give this same attribute and build it at the end. Now to this Viewpager Set Adapter, what is this adapter? Look, my Viewpager Adapter, and I create one class and give this a name of my Viewpager Adapter, extend it with fragment page adapter, and give the private int size, this variable create. And now in this my Viewpager Adapter fragmented manager, and give this any name as you wish, like call the super here, and this dot size mean the same activity and size of this activity. Now here give a position and return a fragment, new instance. Here you should also create 4 fragments. Okay, you need it. Get count, return size, the same size should be returned. Okay, fine. Now here get fragment some port, and here call this navigation and get item count. it should count the item. Okay, now the same navigation controller set up with Viewpager, it should be with Viewpager. Without Viewpager it isn't working. Okay, now add item, the selected listener, for what it is to select this item which we wanna select. Okay, and which fragment we wanna go, would select the same one, and the log is showed here, but it doesn't need, you can also remove it. Okay, on repeat there is anything, there is just shown a log. Okay, to specify your activity. So it was all about the material design activity, and then at the last come here and add this material design library to your project, and it would perfectly work. If you got the video, so please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.